Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply text-to-speech feature in Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Discord application, and for example, I'm going to make this text speak. Okay, we can click on the text, and then we're going to click on this more options. And then if you want to apply the text-to-speech feature, you can select the speak message, and the message will speak for you guys. I'm going to click on this option.
Marl said check.
Okay. And then I'm going to try to send another message. Okay, like this, and I'm going to select this text and click on this more option. Click on speak message.
Marl said hello.
Okay.
Marl said check.
Okay guys, and that's all the way to use text-to-speech in Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!